condo buyers here in Central Ohio, you need to be aware. Condo living can be fantastic. No yard maintenance, a gym, community spaces, and maybe even a pool or a spa, right at your fingertips. But did you know that when you buy a condo, you could be subject to a variety of rules and regulations known as covenants, conditions, and restrictions? I'm going to refer to those as the CC&Rs. These are enforced by the Homeowners Association, also known as HOA, and it's essential to know what these are before buying a condo. Hi, I'm Sheila Howell with Red Realty, and I'm here to guide you through the process. So when you think about it, when you're buying a condo, you're automatically joining a community known as the Homeowners Association. And what's cool is the HOA isn't just a faceless organization. The HOA consists of all the condo owners of the complex. While this brings perks like shared amenities and maintenance-free living, it also means that there are certain restrictions on how you can modify your property. Some love the structure of an HOA. Others find it limiting. That's where I come in. With my experience, I'll help you understand exactly what you're buying and how the process differs from purchasing a traditional home. For example, with a condo, you typically own the interior space. But the common areas like sidewalks, recreation centers, gyms, those are shared by all the owners. Makes sense, right? In essence, you're buying into a community that comes with certain rights and obligations. And these are outlined in the CC&Rs, which you'll want to review thoroughly before making a decision on your purchase. So even if the condo seems perfect in terms of location and amenities, it's crucial to make sure that they align with your lifestyle and future plans. If there's something in the CC&Rs that doesn't make sense, don't hesitate to ask for clarification. And keep in mind, getting exceptions and variances from the CC&Rs can be difficult and may involve either fees or getting neighbor approval and sometimes even formal hearings. Another aspect to consider is the HOA fees. While they typically cover maintenance, landscaping, and amenities, these fees could add up to hundreds of dollars per month. And that's on top of your mortgage. So be sure to check your current HOA fees and understand how much they might increase in the future. Do they typically go up every year or they've been pretty steady? It's also a good idea to attend an HOA meeting and meet some of the neighbors and get a feel for the community and how it's run. Ask about any disputes, pending repairs, or other issues that really come into the dynamics of the complex. Condo living offers an amazing, low-maintenance lifestyle, but it's essential to just know what you're getting into before making such a purchase. I'm Sheila Howell with Red Realty, and whether you're just curious about condos or you're ready to buy, I'm here to help you navigate the ins and outs of condo living here in Central Ohio. Sheila Howell, Red Realty, simplifying your real estate journey, whether it be for a single family home or a condo.